Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the latest manual hand grinder from MHW-3Bomber, known as Racing M1. This hand grinder selling point is a titanium coated 38mm 6-core conical burr. What is so special about the titanium coated, you might ask? The cutting edges of the burrs can maintain sharpness for much longer, from the typical 400 kg to about 1200 kg of coffee. Also not forgetting heat resistance and corrosion resistance. The selling price is affordable and inexpensive. Now for the unboxing. Deerskin velvet storage bag. Quality certification. User guide. Crank handle set. Walnut wooden knob. Aluminum alloy body. This catch cup can hold about 20 grams of coffee grounds. Features: disassembly and assembly without the need for any tools. Return to zero design. Almost all manual hand grinders out there cannot and do not return to zero on the settings dial. Racing M1 managed to solve this problem and has always able to return to zero. One point to note: if you can't get to zero after removing all removable parts for deep cleaning, not to worry. Just turn the outer burr at least 180 degrees. And the adjustment knob will return to zero. There are 24 clicks for one full turn. For pour over coffee, 35 to 40 clicks. Here is the rest of the grind settings guide. Not recommended for espresso. The reason is that it lacks that fine adjustment and so are not able to find the right sweet spot for your espresso. Also, the burr size is 38mm and so require a longer grind time. I will now show you how to disassemble the parts for routine cleaning. Remove the catch cup. Hold on to the crank handle and turn anti-clockwise on the adjustment knob. Remove the dial. Remove the inner burr. Turn clockwise to unscrew the outer burr. For the assembly, it will be in the reverse order. If you would like to do a deep cleaning, follow this guide on the assembly after the removal of all removable parts. Here is the grind size distribution chart provided by MHW-3Bomber for your reference. After watching this detailed video on the Racing M1 manual hand graphic grinder, are you impressed with the features? What's your opinion, or maybe something that you think can be improved further on? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.